Did you know that Canadians collectively overpay billions of dollars in taxes every year? What if there was a perfectly legal way to significantly reduce your tax bill simply by taking a smart approach to your business structure? If you're a Canadian entrepreneur or freelancer, stay tuned, this strategy could change your financial future. Hi, and welcome to today's video. If you're a Canadian looking for ways to save money on taxes, you might want to consider setting up a US LLC. It's a timely and powerful strategy that many Canadians overlook, but it's gaining traction for a reason. By the end of this video, you'll understand how this works, the benefits, and the steps to implement it. Plus, I'll share real-life examples of how this strategy has helped others save thousands of dollars. Let's dive in. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to BZ. BZ is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of BZ is also given in the description box down below. Canada's tax system is one of the most complex and burdensome in the world. With high personal and corporate tax rates, it's no wonder many Canadians feel like they're working harder just to keep up. Entrepreneurs and freelancers often face even greater challenges due to the lack of clarity around international business opportunities and taxation. Let's face it, no one wants to pay more taxes than they have to. But the reality is that most Canadians aren't aware of the legal strategies they can use to save. This is where setting up a US LLC comes in. It's a lesser-known solution, but for the right person, it can make a huge difference. Let's talk about how this works. First, if you're a Canadian who's expatriated, meaning you've officially left Canada, setting up a US LLC can be incredibly beneficial. By running your business through a US LLC and delivering your services from outside both Canada and the US, you can potentially avoid paying taxes in either country. That's right, no US taxes and no Canadian taxes. For example, one of my clients, a digital marketing consultant who moved to Mexico, set up a US LLC and bank accounts. By structuring her business this way, she avoided double taxation, used the US banking system, and dramatically simplified her operations. It's a sweet deal if you're in the right circumstances. Now, what about Canadians still living in Canada? Here's where it gets more nuanced. In Canada, LLCs are treated as foreign corporations. This means you won't get the same pass-through taxation benefit that US residents do. Instead, any income you take out of the LLC is treated as a dividend, which can lead to potential double taxation if not handled correctly. However, there's a workaround. Over the last 6 to 7 months, after extensive research and working with dozens of clients, I've found a way to make US LLCs work for Canadians with online businesses. If you're selling products online or providing services to US-based clients and don't have a physical presence in the US, setting up a US LLC can simplify your reporting and reduce your tax obligations. Here's why. Reporting for an LLC in the US is much easier than for a corporation. There's no US tax to pay if you have no physical presence in the US. Transfer pricing and profit shifting issues are minimal, making the process straightforward. For Canadians, there are additional considerations. You'll need to disclose your US LLC on Form T1134 in your Canadian tax return. And there's something called FOPI, Foreign Accrual Property Income, which ensures you report and pay taxes on foreign income in Canada. The key is to manage your cash flow wisely. At the end of the year, you can send all profits from your US LLC to either your Canadian company or personal account in Canada. This ensures your US company effectively breaks even and simplifies tax reporting in Canada. Here's another real-life example. A small business owner running an e-commerce store used a US LLC to manage their US customer base. By carefully planning how and when they transferred profits to Canada, they avoided double taxation and expanded their business with access to US financial systems. So, how much can you save by using this strategy? Let's put it into perspective. Imagine you're making $100,000 in profit annually. If you run your business solely in Canada, you might pay up to 40 to 50% in taxes, depending on your province. With a US LLC and careful structuring, you could reduce your effective tax rate to 20% or less. That's tens of thousands of dollars in savings, money you can reinvest in your business or use to achieve your financial goals. For example, one of my clients, a software developer, saved over $25,000 in taxes in their first year alone by switching to a US LLC structure while maintaining operations in Canada. In summary, setting up a US LLC offers Canadian entrepreneurs and freelancers a unique opportunity to save on taxes, access US financial systems, and grow their businesses. Whether you're living outside Canada or still based there, this strategy can be tailored to suit your needs. Remember, everyone's situation is different. The key is understanding your residency status, the type of business you're running, and how to optimize your structure to minimize taxes. With the right plan, you can save thousands of dollars and create more financial flexibility for the future. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Busy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Busy provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Busy is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Busy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Busy dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Busy will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Have you considered setting up a US LLC, or do you have questions about how it works? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on saving money and growing your business. Check out my next video, where I dive deeper into tax strategies for Canadians. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.